This is video number 3 of my smoothie series. Today is a protein smoothie. It's the Marcus protein smoothie. There's a million ways to do it, but this is the way I do it, the way I like to do it a lot. So the ingredients that I suggest, do whatever you want, but what I suggest is frozen banana, the base for all smoothies in the world. Wild frozen blueberries. We talked about this in the last video. Pineapple, nut butter of some kind, peanut butter, almond butter. The liquid is either coconut water or almond milk. And Kara did a video on how to make your own almond milk. I'll put a link to it right here or put a description down below. It's basically almonds and water. Is it almonds and water?
Yes.
Yes, it's almonds and water. But she skins the almonds. She takes the skins off, so it looks like real milk, and it's really good. So anyway, and some Man-Force, because this is a protein formula for the gym.
I feel like that.
She's going to demonstrate how to do this.
Yeah, just soak them for half an hour and they'll pop out really easy. You could do it while listening to your favorite podcast or YouTube channel like I do.
Thank you, almond milk person. All right. And then I have my, of course, you can't have a protein smoothie without protein. This is my super plant protein. Okay, so here we go. This is pretty easy. Again, all smoothies need some kind of a liquid base, which is this. So, I mean, this is really not complicated. Let's start with, I talk too much. I'd say 1 frozen banana or 3/4 of a frozen banana. I love pineapple, and I highly suggest you use pineapple in your protein smoothie because pineapple is very high in enzymes that digest protein. So, I mean, it's one thing to swallow something that goes into your body, but it's another thing to have it actually absorb into your body. So that's why not only does pineapple help it taste good and sweetens it up, but it helps the enzymes in the pineapple help the digest the actual protein that you're putting in a smoothie. I gotta wash my hands. Hang on a second here. Sticky fingers. Okay. A nice big honking glob of nut butter. There's some good protein right there. That's messy. I'm a guy, so I can be messy. It's okay. Blueberries. Blueberries, you gotta have some kind of healthy berry kind of thing in there. And for those of you who say, well, isn't that bad for combining the berries and the nuts and things? I never have a problem. But also remember, the pineapple helps, the enzymes help digest and help things work better together. Pineapple's a wonderful substance. I use it in a lot of things because it just helps. I put it in my salads, I put it in my smoothies, I put it in a lot of my food because it helps the body digest and work better. And it tastes good. It's got natural sweetener to it. Okay, protein formula. Where's the scoop? Okay, here's a scoop. So, 1 scoop. There you go. And how's that for a full scoop? That's scoop number 2. So, but wait, there's more. I'm not done. There's number 3. And if I really feel like it, I might put even 4 in there. Now, that's a lot of protein. Now, remember, this isn't just one drink. This is something that I drink before the gym and after the gym. So it's not just 1 gulp and I'm done. This is for 2 sessions. And then I do my, oh wow. This helps the body naturally create its own testosterone. So this is really good for hormones. So no need for that doctor shot synthetic crap. And then you need some kind of liquid. So your choice. What should I do? Coconut water or almond milk? Leave your comments below. I will tally up and see which ones leave the most comments, and I will decide if I, no, I'm just kidding. What should I use, coconut or almond? She says use almond. Coconut. Make up your mind. Okay. So, either's good. Glug, 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 glug. Again, there's no real set amounts to this. It's whatever you feel like doing. Every person's different. I just go by feel. I don't actually measure anything. I think these people that measure stuff are a little too uptight. They probably won't live as long. I know it looks ugly. It's mud colored, I know. People like to drink pretty looking stuff. They like to drink sweet things, you know, like this is pretty sweet, but I drink stuff that's good for you, that you actually need nutritionally. And if anything that I make is not sweet enough for you, add some Marca Sweet to it, which is the 0-calorie, all-healthy natural sweetener. But after a while, you don't need it. I mean, you just appreciate this stuff. This is actually pretty good tasting. Wow, this tastes great. With the coconut water and the pineapple and the peanut butter, this tastes like, oh my God, this tastes like candy. Oh. This is, anyway, so I have a whole one of these before I work out, and then I have another one right after. And that's what I do. People ask what I do, here's what I do. Okay, this is my protein drink. I guess there's nothing more to say, so I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in video number 4 coming up. All right, smoothie video number 4 coming up next. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Now leave me alone, I gotta drink my smoothie, bye.